given x of n is equals to 2 raised to power n and capital N is equals to 8, find x of k using decimation in time, means DIT FFT algorithm. DIT FFT algorithm. Okay, so if you see the question here, in this question x of n is given in something different format. It is not given directly sequence. Okay, so here x of n is given like 2 raised to power n. Okay, and they are asking you to find out the 8-point DFT. Sorry, 2 raised to power n. It is a 2 raised to power n. X of n is equals to 2 raised to power n, and capital N is equals to 8. So this is a given in a question, capital N is equals to 8. So that means it is a 8-point DFT. So they are asking you to find out the 8-point DFT. Okay, so here value of small n, this n will be from 0 to capital N minus 1. Okay, from 0 to capital N minus 1, and capital N is 8. So this will be 0 to 7, capital N minus 1. So 0 to 7. So this value you need to put over here and you will get the x of n. So x of n, to find out the x of n, so first element x of 0, when value of n is 0. So this will be 2 raised to power 0. That means it is a 1. So x of n will be, sorry, x of 0 will be 1. In the same manner, you can put the value of n is equals to 1. Up to what you need to put? Up to 7, because it is a capital N minus 1 and capital N is 8. So range of this small n will be 0 to 7. Okay. So then 2 raised to power 1. 1 by 1, all the values you have to put up to the 7 and you will get this x of n. Then x of 2, this will be 2 raised to power 2. So that will be 4. In the same manner, you can calculate other values also. Okay, so if you are taking 3, x of 3, so this will be 2 raised to power 3, that means 8. Then 16, then 32. This is correct. This is x of 3, 2 raised to power 3, that means it will be 8. Then this is a x of 4, then x of 5, 2 raised to power 5, so this will give you 32. Then x of 6, and last one will be x of 7. So x of 6 will be 64. Then x of 7, so 2 raised to power 7, so this will be 128. 64 into 2, so this will be 128. Okay, so like this you will get the sequence. Okay, so this is your x of n, this will be your x of n. Okay, so this entire values you can write in a curly bracket, so that will be your x of n. So this will be 1 2 8 7 So first of all, you need to write the sequence in a proper way, in a number like this up to the 128. So like this, you need to write the sequence. Okay, so this is your x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, like this up to x of 7. Okay, so first of all, you have to write this sequence in proper way, in this manner. Okay, then you need to draw the butterfly diagram. Okay, so have you got the sequence? Is there any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Okay, so this is all about the sequence, how you will get the sequence, and then you need to draw the butterfly diagram. Okay, so for butterfly diagram, as I told you, first of all, you need to write the even sequences. Okay, and here in this even sequences, this is a 8-point DFT. So even sequences are x of 0, then x of 2, x of 4, and x of 6. So before x of 2, you need to write the x of 4, then x of 2. Okay, how to draw this butterfly diagram? I already told you in last lecture. Okay, so you can start drawing. If any doubt is there, so you can check this x of 0, x of 4, x of 2, and then this will be x of 6. You can write the values along with this. You can write the values. For x of 0, value is 1. For x of 4, value is 16. Then for x of 2, value will be 4. Then x of 6, value will be 64. Like this. Then the odd sequences will be x of 1, value will be x of 1, value will be 2. Then x of 3, before x of 3, you need to write x of 5. So this will be x of 5. And this value of x of 5 is 32. Then x of 7. So value of x of 7 is 128. Okay, so you need to write the sequences like this. Okay, then draw the straight lines like this. This is a stage 1. So alternate line you need to skip and write a Tweedle factor. Okay, so first line you need to skip, and here you need to write the Tweedle factor, and that Tweedle factor will be w suffix 8, because it is a 8-point DFT, raised to power 0. This will be raised to power 0. Again, one line you need to skip, and you need to write the Tweedle factor, that is w suffix 8 raised to power 0. Again, you need to skip this one, and here you need to write w suffix 8 raised to power 0. So this Tweedle factor you need to use over here. Oh, sorry, one thing, x of 1, x of 3 is not there, so here you need to write the x of 3. Okay, so this is a x of 3, and value of x of 3 is 8 only. This will not there. So after this x of 3, you need to write the x of 7, and here value of that will be 128. Okay, and here also one Tweedle factor will be there. X of 1, then x of 5, x of 3. Okay, then you need to write -1 multiplier where you have written Tweedle factor. Where there is a total factor, you need to write the -1 also. Then adder, and this adder will give you the result of stage 1. Okay. So after the total factor, upward arrow like this. Okay, here you can mark arrow, and this one will be like this. Here also you can mark arrow. Here also you can mark arrow. Okay, so here also same thing. After the total factor, this arrow will be there, and here also same thing. So this will give you the output of the stage 1. This is a output of the stage 1. So you can mark this as a S10 2 up to the S17. Okay, this will be S11, this will be 2, this will be 3, S13, then S14, this will be S15 and S16. Okay, again extend this one for the stage 2. Try to solve it by your own. Okay, now stage 2 is there. So for stage 2, you have to skip 2 lines like this, and you need to write the total factor. 2 total factors will be used over here. That will be W suffix 8 raised to power 0 and W suffix 8 raised to power 2. Again 2 line you need to skip, and here you need to write total factor, that is W suffix 8 raised to power 2 and raised to power 0. Okay, then here you can write the, along with the total factor, you can write the minus sign like this. Then adder, then after total factor, upward line like this. Okay, same thing for this also. Then you can join this. Same here also. Like this. Like this. Okay, so this will give you the output of the stage 2. So here you can write this as a S20 up to so on. This will be s2 7. Okay, this will be s2 1, s2 2, s2 3, s2 4, s2 5, s2 6, and last one will be s2 7. Again, for stage 3 you need to extend this one for the output of the stage 3. Okay, now in a stage 3 you have to skip 4 lines, and at the lower 4 lines you need to mark the Twiddle factor. Okay, so here for this Twiddle factor will be w suffix 8 raised to power 3. Here it will be w suffix 8 raised to power 2. 8 is for it is a 8 point DFT. Then w suffix 8 raised to power 1, and then this will be w suffix 8 raised to power 0. Okay, above 4 line you need to skip, and here along with the w you need to write the -1 also. Then adder, now this adder will give you the output of the stage 3rd, and that will be your final output. Okay, so after w you can take upward arrow, this one, and then the for next one like this, then for the next one like this, and like this. Then you can join the remaining one to this, like this. Sorry, this will goes to this, then here it is not there, so this will goes to this, so this will goes to this one, and this last one will goes to like this. Okay, so you can mark this as a x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, then x of 3. Okay, so is there any doubt in this diagram?
No,
Last
sir.
one will be x of 7. Okay, so anyone, if you have drawn this diagram, please WhatsApp me so that I can use it for the calculation part. Is there any doubt in this? Anyone?
No, sir. Clear.
Yeah, so please WhatsApp me the diagram.
Sir, actually, I have not completed yet. I'm actually calculating parallelly.
Yeah, then you need to calculate the Twiddle factor also. Okay, so for Twiddle factor, how many Twiddle factors we are using over here? That is a w z suffix 8 raised to power 0. So anything raised to power 0, so this will be directly 1. Okay, then the next Twiddle factor we are using, that is a w suffix 8 raised to power 2. So this you need to calculate, that is e raised to power minus j 2 pi upon capital N. Capital N is 8, so because it is a 8 point DFT and value of Kn is 2. So this 2 and this 8, so this will be 4, and this 2, so this will be simply 2. So this is a pi by 2. So this will reduce to the e raised to power minus j. This is same for all the 8 point DFT calculation. So this calculation will be same. Okay, so this is a pi by 2. Okay, so this will be cos pi by 2 minus j sin pi by 2. So answer will be cos pi by 2 is 0 minus j sin pi by 2. So sin pi by 2 is 1. So this will be minus j. Okay, then the next total factor is w suffix 8 raised to power 3. Okay, so for this will be e raised to power minus j pi by 8. This will be 2 pi by 8 into 3. Okay, so this will be 4. So this will be 3 pi by 4 e raised to power minus j 3 pi by 4. Okay, so j cos 3 pi by 4 minus j sin 3 pi by 4. So this will be simply minus j, sorry, um, minus 0.707 minus j 0.7 7, like this. One more total factor you need to calculate, that is w suffix 8 raised to power 1. This is 0, 2, 3, so 1 more is there. So this will be again e raised to power minus j 2 pi by 8 into 1. Okay, so this will be pi by 4. This is a 4, so this will be simply e raised to power minus j pi by 4. Okay, so if you calculate cos pi by 4 minus j sin pi by 4, so this value will be simply same thing, 0.707 minus j 0. Same thing, 707. Okay, so this is a Tudel factor calculation. All four values are required in the butterfly diagram. Okay, so after drawing the butterfly diagram, you need to do this calculation. Okay, like this also you can calculate, otherwise you can remember the values also, because for all the numericals this will be useful, same values will be there. Okay, for 8 point DFT, and you will definitely get the question for on 8 point DFT. Okay, okay, so done. Anyone has done this?
Hello, sir.
Yeah,
So I've done, but only the last calculation is remaining.
Sorry, what happened?
Sir, the last calculation is remaining. The else is done.
The diagram is remaining from the last.
No, sir, actually diagram is complete, but it's bit untidy.
Yeah, yeah, I will correct it. I will correct it. Just
Okay,
WhatsApp
sir.
it. No issue. Anyone other has drawn the diagram?
Yes, I have drawn, but it's untidy.
Yeah, yeah, sure. Please share it. I will correct it. No issue. Okay, so this is the diagram. Yeah. Okay. So see here for this calculation, S1 0. This is S1 0, S1 1. Okay. So first of all, you need to write this one odd samples. Sorry, even samples. This is x of 0. Then x of 4. You need to write x of 4 before x of 2. Then x of 2. All these are the even samples. Then x of 6. Okay. Here this will be x of 1 even odd samples. Then x of 3. Before x of 3 you need to write x of 5. Then x of 3. Then x of 7, like this. Okay. For a stage 1, one steps you need, one line you need to skip, and then you need to write the Twiddle factor. Only one Twiddle factor will be used, that is w raised to power 0. This Twiddle factor you need to write. You need to skip one line. Okay, so this will be not there, only here. Okay, you need to skip one line. Okay, so from here, like this, you need to starting from here, skip one line, then write Twiddle factor, और जहाँ पे Twiddle factor लिखा है, in same line you need to write -1, like this. Okay, skip this one and then write Twiddle factor and -1. Here also you need to skip this one, Twiddle factor, then -1. Skip this one, Twiddle factor and -1, like this. Now for the calculation of the first stage 1. So in this adder, how many inputs are there? So the first one, so value of first one you can write, that is the first one is x of 0. Okay. Then plus Twiddle factor multiplied by this x of 4. And Twiddle factor is w raised to power 0 having value 1. Okay, so 1 will be multiplied with the x of 4. So this x1 of 0, this will be simply x of 0 plus x of 4. It will be multiplied by 1, so that is not going to be affect anywhere. So this will be simply x of 0 plus x of 4. So your x of 0 is what? 1, and x of 4 is what? 16. So this will be 17. Okay, so your first value, please verify you are getting 17 or not. So this value is 17. Okay, then the x1 of 1, this one, x1 of 1, so this value. So here two inputs are there. First one, that is x of 0, that is 1. So this will be 1 plus 16 into 1 into -1. So this will be simply -16, and this plus 1. So this will be -15. Please check it. This will be -15. Are you getting same answer or not? Please check it. And then S1 2. So for this also, two inputs are there. First x of 2 and then x of 6. X of 2 and x of 6. So x of 2 is 4 and x of 6 is 64. So this will be 68. Please check. This is a 68. Okay. Then S13. So this value. Okay, so please check this value. So this will be, you have to write separately this on the same diagram. No need to write, you need to write this separately. Okay, below the diagram you need to show these calculations. Okay, ये सारे calculations डायग्राम में ही मत करो, अदरवाइज आपसे गलती होंगी। और डायग्राम में सिर्फ मैं ये स्टेज लिखा है क्या नहीं वो वैल्यू चेक नहीं करूँगा, सिर्फ ये जो स्टेजेस वगैरह लिखे हैं ये सब चेक किए जाएंगे। ओके, कैलकुलेशन पार्ट जो है आपको नीचे करना है डायग्राम के। ओके, जस्ट फॉर अंडरस्टैंडिंग पर्पज आई एम टेकिंग हियर। ओके, और मेरे पास इतना स्पेस नहीं है कि सो दैट मैं सारे कैलकुलेशन आपको नीचे दिखा सकूँ। ओके, सो x of 6 sorry x of 1 3, so for this will be x of 2 plus x of 6. So x of 2 is what, 4, and x of 6 is the 64. Oh sorry, you were this one s1 of 2, so this will be, this is what, yeah, x of 2 plus x of 6, so this will be 68, and this one here it will be simply x of 2 minus this one x of 6 into total factor into minus 1, so this will be 4 minus 64, so this will be simply minus 60. Please check it, minus 60. Okay, then this value x1 of 4, so for this value x1 of 4, so this will be x of 1 plus x of 5 multiplied by total factor, that is a 1, so that is not going to be affect. So x of 1 is 2 and x of 5 is 32, so this will be 33. Please check it, this value will be 33. Okay, then this one. Okay, so this value will be x of 1 means 2 minus this one, and that value is 32, so 2 minus 32, so this will be minus 30. Please check it. Then x1 of 6,
S14 is 34.
this one s1 5 is 34,
S14.
s14 this is 34. Okay, so x1 is a 2 and yeah plus, so this is a 34. This is a 2 and this is 32, so this will be 34. Okay, then this one plus this one, so this is what, this is a x of 3 and x of 7, so x of 3 is 8 and x of 7 is 128, so 128 plus 8, so this will be 136. 136. Okay, then the next value, so here this will be x of 3 minus this x of 7. Okay, so x of 3 is 8 and this is a 128, so this will be minus 120. Okay, then stage 2, here this one stage 2 zeroth element. Okay, so for this two adders are there, so this will be simply this one x1 2 add x1 0, so this will be 17 plus 68. Okay, so this will be 17 plus 68, so what will be the value of this? 17 plus 68, so this will be 85. This is a 85. Then the S21, this one S21, so for this input will be S13 and plus S11, so this will be minus 15 and minus 60. Okay, so and multiplied by total factors, this W8 raised to power 2, this is a 1, so it is not going to be affect, but this is a 2, that means it is a minus j. Okay, so minus j will be multiplied over here, so this will be simply minus 15, this value will be minus 15 to minus j 60. This is correct. Minus minus, this will be plus. Okay, minus 15 plus J60. Okay. Then next one S22. So for this, two inputs are there. S22, this one, that is X10. Then minus this one, S12. Okay. So this will be 17 minus 68. Okay. So this will be minus 51. Minus 51. Okay. Then S23, this value. So this is again minus 15, and minus j will be in a multiplication, so this will be plus 60j. So it will be minus 15 plus 60j. Minus 15 minus j 60. Okay, see here 3 minus are there, that's why it will be minus. 613 is also negative, that Twiddle factor raised to power 2, so that will be minus j. So minus j into this minus 60, that will be plus 60j, and this minus 1, so this minus, so this will be minus j60. Then S24, so this one, so for this will be 34 plus this one raised to power 0 is there, so it is not going to be changed. So 140, 170, so you can check it whether it is 170 or not. 170. Okay, then this value S25, so this will be minus 30, then plus, now this value will be multiplied by minus j, so this will be plus 120j, and this minus 1 is there, so this will be minus 30, simply minus 30 minus 120j, minus 30. Yeah, here this minus will be not there, because from here you are going upward. Okay, only this minus is there, so this will be minus plus j 120j plus 120j, like this, minus 30 plus 120j. Now for this one, this arrow is there, that is 34, so this will be simply 34. Then this arrow is there, so here Twiddle factor value is 136 multiplied by Twiddle factor, that is 1, and then minus is there, so this will be 134 minus 136. Okay, so this will be minus 98. Correct? 34 minus 136, sorry, it will be minus 102. Okay, then the last value, so last value will be in last value added minus 30, this value, so this will be minus 30, then this one, so in this minus 120 multiplied by Twiddle factor, that is minus j, so this will be plus 120j, and this minus, so this will be minus 30 minus 120j, like this. So this is all the calculation of the stage 2. In the same manner, you can go for the calculation of this x of 0. If you are doing the calculation for x of 0, so in a x of 0, this one, that is a 85, and then this one. Okay, so 170, so 85 plus 170, 85 plus 170, so this will be 255. You can do this calculation and verify the answer, that is a 255. So here also two inputs are there, this one, so minus 15 plus j60, this is one input, and then with this arrow to here. Okay, this one. So along with the Tweedle factor, so this will be value is minus 30 plus 120j into Tweedle factor, that is w suffix 8 raised to power 1. So value of that is 0.707 minus j 0.707. Okay, so multiplied, the Tweedle factor will multiplied with this value minus 30 plus 120j. Okay, and that you need to add here in this value minus 15 plus j60. Okay, so if you do all these calculations, so x of 1 you will get 48.68 plus j60 j 166. You can do this calculation 0.04. It is correct. 48.68. Yeah. Then x of 2, for the x of 2 calculation, this will be minus 51, and this one along with the Tweedle factor you need to write, that is a 34, and Tweedle factor w suffix 8 raised to power 2. So Tweedle factor value will be minus j. Okay, so you need to multiply minus j to this one, so this will be minus 34j, 34 minus 136, so this is minus 102. So this will be simply minus 102 and minus j, so that will be plus 102j. Okay, that you need to add in this 51. Okay, so this will be simply 51. This will be minus 51, negative is there, so this will be minus 51 plus 102j. Okay, then for x of 3, so for x of 3 will be this one, that is s23, that is minus 15 minus j60. This value you need to add in this. Okay, along with the Tweedle factor, and value of Tweedle factor is minus 0.707 minus j 0.707. Okay, that value you need to multiply to this minus, yeah, minus 13 minus 120j. Okay, after multiplying you need to add this value to this minus 15 minus j60. Okay, as you do all this calculation, so you will get something minus 78.67 plus j 46.05. By using calculator you need to do this. Okay, then for x of 4, 170, so this will be 170 plus, this is a 170. Okay, yes, 170, it is multiplied with the Tweedle factor, and value of the Tweedle factor is w suffix 8 raised to power 0, that means 1. Okay, so this will be 170, minus is there, so this will be minus 170, and that will be added to this 85. Okay, so this will be 85 minus 170. Okay, so that value will be 85 minus 170, so this will be minus 85. Okay, then this one here also, this value you need to multiply with this w suffix 8 raised to power 1, that is 0.07 minus j 0.707. This value you need to multiply with this minus 30 plus 120j. Okay, after this multiplication, minus you need to multiply with the minus 1, means sign will be changed. Okay, and that value you need to add to the minus 15 plus j60. Okay, after doing all these things you will get the answer, that is minus 78.67 and minus j 46.08. Okay, then x of next one is x of 6. So here for this calculation two values are there. First one is minus 15 plus j16. Okay, sorry, x of 6. So for x of 6 this will goes to here. Okay, so minus 51, it will take minus 51 and this value, this value, so this will be raised to power 2 means minus j, so minus j will multiply to this one, so this will be minus 34, sorry, this is 102 minus 102, so this will be plus j 102 and minus sign is there, so minus, this will be minus, so this will be minus 51 minus j 102. Then the last value x of 7. So here this value will be minus 15 minus j60 and this will be multiply with this one. Okay, and again multiply with minus 1 and then add to this one. Okay, so this value will be simply 48.6 minus j 166. 0.08. So all these values are there. You can do this calculation and verify this answer. Is there any doubt in this? How to draw a butterfly diagram or in any calculation part in decimation in time? Is there
No,
any
sir.
doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. You all understood this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Kumari Jyoti, are you there?
Yes, sir.
812. Understood?
Yes.
Kansara Shubh.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yeah.
Likhita A20. Nese. Are
Yes,
you
sir.
there? Understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Khurpe Tushar. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Understood or not?
Yeah, sir.
Parul Singh. Parul Singh. Parul Singh, are you there? Parul Singh, I will mark you absent. Parul Singh. Yadav Ashish, are you there? Yadav
Yes,
Ashish,
sir. Yes, sir.
understood or not?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Sheikh Fahim,
Yes, sir.
understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So thank you very much. Is there any, if any doubt is there, you can ask me. Okay. So I'm
Sir,
going
is it
to,
okay
yeah,
if we
yeah.
skip, sir, is it okay if we skip the calculation part and directly write the answer?
at least some steps you need to write. Okay.
So what I meant is like if I show the formula and then directly
Yeah,
show
then
like the
then you
answer.
can write, then you can directly write
Okay, sir.
calculation. Just you need to write the formula. Okay,
Okay,
means
sir.
that terms you need to write. Okay, for example, if you are calculating something s2 of 0, and in that or suppose you are calculating x2 of x of 2, for example, if you are calculating, and in that s2 of 2 and total factor s2 of 6 is involved, so you have to write these terms, then you can directly put values in your calc and you can directly write the answer. That is okay. Okay, but that
Yes,
basic
sir.
terms you need to write, otherwise it will be copy paste, means you are copying from somewhere. Okay, so that basic formula you need to write from where it is coming.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Sir, and one more doubt. Like, what will be the portion for term test?
Portion will be this complete first module. Okay.
So from starting that whatever we are doing now.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Shall we get question
Okay.
bank or some?
DFT question bank do you require? Because I will change the values. Okay, even if I am going the giving the question bank, then also I will change the values.
सर वैल्यूज चेंज हुए तो चलेगा सर,
Yes sir,
तो
for
बस
just
क्वेश्चन का आइडिया
practice,
मिल जाएगा,
like कैसे समझाएंगे.
तो
Okay.
बस
So I
आइडिया
will
बना.
give you question bank. No issue.
Okay sir, thank you.
थैंक यू सो मच सर.
Okay.
कैन
Okay.
वी
So
लीव सर?
thank you very much.
थैंक यू सर.